Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a cute dog head, a dog face. Dog head sounds morbid, but dog face, cute one. I'm going to be using this marker. This is for beginners, and this is step by step, okay? So you can't go wrong. You can even rewind this if you miss it, but it's going to be real simple. And that's it. Are you ready? Okay, so pay attention and let's get going. I'm going to draw an egg shape. I know what you're thinking. That shape is a little bit tough to draw. That's okay. Just work on your control, maybe on a scratch piece of paper a little bit, and then just pull that. Close enough is close enough. Then you're gonna pull another long curved shape toward the side. That's gonna be the ears. Then we're gonna throw really small egg shapes toward the middle here, toward the top. That's gonna be the eyes. I'm gonna fill those in halfway. What that's gonna represent is it's gonna represent a kind of the highlight, the whites. Pull line up, down, almost like check marks. That's gonna really make the eye set into the skull there, into the face. And I'm going to draw kind of an upside down bloated triangle. That's going to be the nose. Draw a line straight down. It's going to go to the mouth. Actually, I'm going to almost completely just block in the nose, except for that little mark right there. That's another highlight. Mouth. 3 dots for kind of the whisker area, that kind of area of the dog. And we're going to draw, let me see. I want a tongue or a bone? I'm trying to think. Let me draw a bone. I'm going to draw, see those two straight lines. Then I'm going to draw the outside of a bone shape. And that's it. If you want, you can fill in the ears as well. The ears might be kind of cool to fill in. I don't really want to fill it in on this drawing personally, but that's entirely it. Super, super easy. You can even draw maybe like a little straight line across here, small one, to kind of make it seem like there's a change in plane from the snout into the upper face. And that's it. I hope that was easy to understand. If it was, give me a like. If you like dogs, give me a like. If just for any reason you want to comment, you have a question, or if you want to request, or if you just want to say hi, and just comment me below. I love that stuff. I love interacting with everybody. That's pretty much it. Don't forget, there's a How to Draw Cute ebook in the description. It's gonna be the first link toward the top of the description. It is a 10-page How to Draw Cute instructional. I've gotten a lot of really good feedback from it. Thank you so much for that. It's free, totally free as of right now. I might charge for it one day, I'm thinking about it, but right now it's totally free, so get that while it lasts. So thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.